everyone, welcome back to DIY with Dewey. Today we're replacing a AC belt on our V10 M6. I wanted to show you guys what it sounds like right now. Squeal. I'm gonna lift up the hood so you can hear it. Can't really see it. Able to hear it. It sounds pretty bad. So every morning with a cold start, it makes that big squealing noise. I'm gonna go ahead and show you a step-by-step process on how I'm gonna replace it really fast. It shouldn't take too long. Let me grab the tools we need. All right, so I ordered this belt, 6PK1085, and this is Continental brand. I'm gonna use a floor jack, tools, and we're gonna go ahead and lift it up and put some jack stands under it. Jack stand. So I'm gonna slide this underneath just in case, but we're not gonna put much weight on this jack stand. So we're gonna put it under the oil pan. Alright, so this is just emergency. I'd rather have it fall on that than on me. There, so you can see it's not even touching yet, but it'll support it if anything. So we need to pry this dust cover off. Oop. All right, so that just pops right off. Now we have the 14mm exposed. It's raining. Should have checked the forecast before I started. There we go. Got it out. Make sure it's the same size before we install it. It's a different design, but it should still fit. All right. .1084 instead of 1085, so slightly different. Just go throw it on there. This is the way you route it for the AC belt, so just follow this diagram. All right, so we got it on there. Make sure you reinstall the dust cover. It's number 5 on the diagram back onto that pulley.